If you're looking for a pre-owned heavy-duty truck, we've got one for you right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl. This is a pre-owned 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD ranch hand brush guard. We've got the 6.6 liter Duramax with an Allison transmission. We have the dual tone alloy wheels wrapped in BFG all-terrains. AT4, oh yeah, automatic side steps, heated and vented front driver and passenger leather buckets. We have the big console with the safe inside to keep all your stuff nice and tidy and safe. We have a power inverter, 12 volts of power, connectivity, trailer brake controller, all of our accessory controls, climate controls, GMC infotainment system, column shifter, also traditional gauges and a digital driver information station, also hands-free controls, big huge floor mats throughout. Second row, in-seat storage on both sides, armrest, cup holders, and of course we've got the big floor mats, rear air, USBs, heated second row, 12 volts of power, and of course we can put these up and guess what? More room for everything. Coated bed, 12 tie downs, power on both sides, LEDs, ready for fifth wheel. We got the kicker stereo in the multi-function tailgate, and we're ready for a tag along for this pre-owned 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of Business 83 and McCall Road in McAllen, Texas. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.